Hi everyone, my name is Olga Flint, and I just want to continue the topic of breathing exercises, the set of breathing exercises. I'm posting 2 more. And the first exercise that I'm going to show is called bow. Same breathing, short breath like this without forcing. Gentle bend forward with relaxed hands like this. And I will show 4 facing you and 4 other sets of this exercise on the side so that you'll see how it's done. So let's start. This is 4, right? And then another set like that. And the next exercise is called cat. You sit a little bit and with the short breath you do the following movements like that. So that's that. This is 2 other exercises, and next time I will post other 2. Bye.